Good evening, Wood Creek. As always, it's great to talk to you guys again. I want to thank you for a couple of things. One, I want to thank parents for showing up and showing out for our events this past week, where we had our Meet the Lions event. We also had our open house event, and we're looking forward to getting our Iron Men program going, which will be a Watchdogs version for the middle school, so we can get some dads to help out on campus as we get through our school year. Parents, it was great to meet you. It was great to see you supporting your students, and I'm looking forward to a fantastic year and more parent involvement. We also want to remind everyone that most students should now have their hard ID badge. Every student is responsible to have their ID badge on every day when they first walk in the building, and it should remain on their person the entire day. With that means that we're also beginning to take tardies. Your student may accumulate tardies where they have consequences, so please encourage your student to make sure that they're moving quickly in between classes as we go throughout our school year. Our first grade check is coming up very soon. It is just a 3-week progress report, but we do want to remind parents, make sure you're keeping an eye on HACS so you can keep up with your students' progress. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to teachers here on Wood Creek's campus. We'll all be happy to get back with you and share how you can help your student improve. Again, we're looking forward to a continued great year. We're having a great second full week of school. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend.